Hello everyone, welcome to Tableau training. In this session, we are going to discuss about Tooltip. Tooltip is will explain with an example. Let me create a bar chart, a simple bar chart for the category sales I have created. Whenever we keep the cursor on any bar, right, there is a small window will open. If I click on it, so we can keep it or we can exclude, right? So this is the tooltip I was talking about. So tooltip information is very helpful. When I click on the tooltip, so here the editor opens. In this editor, all the options or formatting options are available. Let us change the font for the sale, and also if you want to insert any field, right, we can directly insert from here. Data source name and category, whatever it may be, like all these are predefined page numbers and page count. All these are predefined functions which we can use. Let me insert data source name here. Click on OK. So when I click the cursor, our data source is order sample superstore. It appears here. Similarly, we can print profit also into the tooltip. Here if you see the profit, when I go there, profit it does not come. We can insert from here as well. If I insert here, click on edit, and then here you put it like profit. Whenever we keep the cursor, profit also visible. This is something about tooltip element. Let us see the same thing in line chart. The line chart as well, tooltip, and the options are almost same as this one. Let me create one map as well, map chart as well. For that, anytime if you don't want any field, just drag and place in the empty area. First, select the country, and then so if you see the map here, let me color the map. United States. So if you keep the cursor on the United States, tooltip will appear. If you keep the cursor on the Mexico tooltip will appear. For editing this, we can go here. We can give the color options. Any formatting can be done here. Let me give the workbook name. Workbook name as of now sheet 1, book 1, right? So this is something which will be useful about the tooltip. Hope you understand the tooltip concept. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.